Hi, we've got some exciting updates for Swift in September 2024. Check out the new features that'll make your automation journey smoother and more efficient. You can now easily customize column names in the GridView component. With simple configuration settings, renaming columns is straightforward and intuitive. This makes your data clearer and improves the overall user experience. Designers can now specify start and end dates for exporting logs, allowing for focused analysis on specific date ranges. This makes the process simpler and avoids exporting all logs at once. Field technicians can now capture their current location on-site with just a click. This feature makes tracking easier and boosts efficiency. Open the app where you want to capture the GPS location. Drag a button from the toolbox. Edit the button and open the Channels drop-down. Find Utils functions and select Get Current Location. Finally, map the response to any form fields using the Map Response feature. Easily set up multiple actions to execute in order with checkboxes in FBF. This enhances efficiency and streamlines workflows. By following a few simple steps, you can enable the checkbox functionality, configure your desired actions, and even hide them from end users if needed. This feature makes creating efficient workflows a breeze. Users can now easily add the GridView component to Fusion-based view action forms, allowing for customizable displays by dragging and dropping columns. Designers also benefit from enhanced version control for forms and dashboards, enabling easy publishing and access to previous versions for restoration. Moreover, designers can customize the login screen styling at both the portal level and for individual applications. This allows for tailored background and border colors for the login button and adjustments to the login panel's location, ensuring alignment with your branding and design preferences. Power users and admins can now view detailed logs directly on the user screen under the BA Business Rule tab. This feature provides better visibility into the actions of your business rules, ensuring they function as intended. Additionally, users can now set default values for the date control type on FBF when using the Between operator in filters. This enhancement adds two customizable fields for start and end dates, making it easier to manage date range filters. When the form or application loads, the From and To fields will automatically populate with the desired date range. Lastly, designers can now change the position of actions within workflows. With a few simple steps, you can easily adjust the order of nodes to control how actions are executed. This enhancement provides greater flexibility to customize your workflow's flow and logic according to your specific needs. That's a wrap on Swift's September 2024 updates. These features are designed to enhance your experience and make automation easier. Try them out and let us know what you think.